There's many ways to keep your body healthy. One of those ways is by drinking smoothies. Smoothies are very easy to make, inexpensive, and there's not a lot of rocket science to this. You don't have to bring out your measuring cups or do any math. It's a matter of the size of the smoothie that you decide to make depends on the amount of fruit or vegetables that you plan to use for it. In this case, I'm using a small personal size smoothie, so I need a lot less fruit than I would if I was using a large one. Now I have some strawberries, some pineapples, some apple slices, and some oranges. Some of my favorite fruits, very good for smoothies. And I'm using a passion fruit vitamin water. 0 calories, also wonderful for your smoothie here. Like I said, all these fruits you can find at your local store, very inexpensive. There's lots of other options you can use. You can do vegetables as well. Spinach and kale are really good in smoothies. Broccoli as well. You can also do bananas or pomegranates or any other kind of fruits really that you'd like to go and use. But we're going to go ahead here and get things started. One by one, you want to put all your fruits into the blender. No real precise or exact measurements needed, just as you want. But you do want to make sure that you're not filling up the container more than 3/4 of the way. If you fill it up any more than about right here, you're not going to leave enough room for the fruits to blend and rise. You want to leave enough room for all your fruits and your drink. So you're going to go ahead, continue to put all your fruits in. Get them all in there. There we go. Once you've done that, you'll want to add whatever juice, milk, whatever you want to use. In this case, like I said, I'm using the passion fruit vitamin water. But you can use any other kinds of juices, apple juice, orange juice, you can use milk, water. Some people just like to add ice. It's really up to you. But in this case, we're going to use the vitamin water. Going to go ahead. We're going to pour this in here as well. Also, you don't want to fill it any more than 3/4 of the way as well. Just enough to cover over your fruit, just so you have enough to blend. Go ahead and pour that in there. Like I said, no more than 3/4 of the way. You got to leave that room in there for it to blend, okay? Now we're going to go ahead and blend our smoothie. You know, normally 10-20 seconds should be enough to blend the smoothie. So go ahead, let's put that on there. All right, make sure it's locked in before you close, before you press the button. And then go ahead, 10-20 seconds, like I said. All right, after that, you may want to check, make sure there's no large chunks left in there. If there is, go ahead, proceed. Do it for a few more seconds. Just really make sure we got everything blended in there. All right. Now, smoothies are a really good source of vitamins, minerals, fiber. You can get all of that in a smoothie. Now, your smoothie is done. Go ahead and give that a taste. Delicious. This is something that you can make at home, quick and easy when you're on the run, very fast. Like I said, very inexpensive. You can get the fruits and juices anywhere and make a smoothie at home. And it's sure to satisfy your taste buds.